In this video, I'll be showing you how to descale the Keurig K Supreme Smart Coffee Machine. So let's get started. It's time to descale your machine when the descale notification pops up, or if it doesn't, then Keurig recommends you descale every 3 months. You'll want to do this not only to maintain the performance of the machine, but to also keep getting great tasting coffee. So the first thing you'll want to do is empty the water tank and remove the water filter from the reservoir if you are using one. And since my machine is brand new, I'm not going to waste my solution by using it right now, but you will need to empty the whole bottle into the water tank. Assume I'm using the solution here. Next, fill the same solution bottle with fresh water and pour it into the water tank. So it will be 1 part solution, 1 part fresh water. If you have the descale notification on your screen, press the left arrow. If you don't, you can find descale mode in the settings menu by pressing both arrows together. Select next, press the right arrow again, then press the K button to begin. Use the arrow buttons to select yes to enter descale mode, then press the K button. And then the display screen will remind you to remove the water filter if you are using one. And we're using the 14-ounce bottle here, so press that. And to pour the contents into the water tank, which we've already done. And then press continue. Make sure there is no pod inserted in the coffee machine. Place a jug underneath and press continue. And press the flashing K button, and the 12-ounce button should also be lit up by default. Once the first cycle of 12 ounces is complete, throw out the water and replace the jug to run another cycle. It should only run 2 cycles, using up 24 ounces of the solution in total. There won't be enough water in the tank to run a 3rd cycle. If the descale sign is still on, I would recommend you add some more water to the tank until the descale mode sign disappears and the next set of instructions appear on the screen, telling you to rinse the reservoir and fill it up to the maximum line with fresh water. So I'll throw out this water, rinse the water tank and fill it to the maximum line with fresh water. And now you're going to do a fresh water rinse. Press the flashing K button to run the cycle. And it's going to run a few cycles of this. My machine ran 6 cycles. Each cycle should last just over 1.5 minutes. It's a good idea to throw out the water each time so you don't end up with an overflow. And you'll just have to keep pressing the K button when it flashes to run the cycle. I think it depends on the amount of buildup in the machine. Yours may run less or more cycles. Let us know in the comments how many cycles your machine ran, and hopefully we should have an idea if that is the case. If the water is about to run out, I suggest you keep some extra water close by so you can add it to the reservoir if you need to. You don't want the machine running empty, otherwise it will cause it to overheat and cause damage, which some people have mentioned happened to them on my other Keurig video. So hopefully, if all goes well, the end result should display descale complete. If it doesn't and you're still having issues, then you may need to contact customer support or drop a comment below and I'll see if there is a solution I have come across that I can share, or if anybody else can share. Select finish and you should see the add water notification if you don't have enough water in your water tank, and you should be ready to use the coffee machine. And it's also a good idea at this time to replace the water filter cartridge. Pop in a new one, just like I showed you in my other video, which I'll leave a link below. Alright guys, I hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and I hope to catch you in my next video.